dolphins what each of us could do to help them survive another million years or two. And the dolphin said,
keep the ocean clean, that's the most important thing. Please take your trash up off the beach, recycle most everything, find out what pollutes the sea, and ask your friends to help keep the ocean clean. After all, the ocean is our home, said my friends the dolphins. After all, the ocean is our home.
Hi everyone, it's Birdsong. Please join me in taking the pledge to keep the ocean clean. I'm no longer using plastic bags, I'm skipping straws in my drinks, and I'm taking my own container for leftovers when I go out to eat. What will you do?
That's the most important thing. Please take your trash up off the beach, recycle most everything, find out what pollutes the sea, and ask your friends to help keep the ocean clean. After all, the ocean is our home,
said the fascinating sharks. Oh yeah.
after all, the ocean is our home.
imagine, said the sea turtle, that you're as hungry as can be. Well, a plastic bag floating by looks a lot like a sea jelly. And sea turtles love to eat sea jellies.
Gulp.
But swallowing a plastic bag would be the end of me. So please keep all kinds of plastic out of the sea. Keep it clean, please. Keep the ocean clean, that's the most important thing. Please pick your trash up off the beach, recycle most everything, find out what pollutes the sea, and ask your friends to help keep the ocean clean. 'Cause after all, the ocean is our home,
Said those hungry sea turtles.
after all, the ocean is our home.
Said the whales and the fish.
And the sea otter and the tide pool creatures. After all, the ocean is our home.
Said the seals and the sea lions and the walruses.
And Oxford the octopus.
After all, the ocean is our home. After all, the ocean is our home.